Toru Okada, creator of PlayStation's iconic logo sound, has died. Are we talking about the intro sound of the PlayStation?
Yeah.
Logo sound?
Yeah.
Age 73. What are the chances? We were just ranting and raving on the...
Yeah, someone sent this on the chat. Random username.
Awesome. Thank you for that. I mean, you guys know how big I am on this kind of stuff. The musician and music producer responsible for creating PlayStation's iconic logo sound. I just want to be clear. What is the logo sound? Is that like a portion of the intro? Because each console has a different sound, right? What's the logo sound? Are we going to be able to play it here? Okay, it is what I think it is. Give me a play.
Hold on here. I think it's a commercial.
It's chung, chung,
PlayStation.
chung, chung, chung.
PlayStation.
I know the logo sound. So that's different than when you turn it on.
Yeah.
But lovely sound. Absolutely lovely sound. Okada's music career spanned decades and a wide variety of mediums, including movies and anime. But he was perhaps best known in Japan as a founding member of the influential rock band Moonriders, where he played alongside bandmate Kiichi Suzuki, who would go on to compose the music for Nintendo's Mother series. Whoa, he goes to Nintendo, he goes to PlayStation, the band splits up. They're like, we work for these boys now. His own ties to gaming came primarily through his successful career composing for commercials, notably wrote music for a series of very strange Crash Bandicoot adverts. Remember Crash Bandicoot in the 90s? Man, they had some wacky advertising back then in the 90s. Big fan of that stuff. 90s advertising, wild stuff. But his most enduring and immediately recognizable contribution to gaming arrived through his work with PlayStation. That's just straight up. But isn't it crazy? Such a short, seemingly minor sound can be so iconic that they say brisk, fuzzy ping is how they describe it in words. And I agree with them completely.
Sure, yeah.
Wow. PlayStation adverts for more than 25 years. You can still routinely hear it used today. You can, for instance, hear it at the start of this No Man's Sky trailer uploaded this afternoon. And you're probably going to continue to hear it because it immediately triggers PlayStation thoughts and vibes for you. Well, R.I.P. Love the sounds, man.
R.I.P.